Hello everyone, this is our room review for room 1823 at the Ala Moana Hotel here in Honolulu.
In Oahu.
On Oahu. The island of Oahu. And just before we get up to the room, you can see here in the lobby of Ala Moana, there is a Starbucks coffee outlet, and it's a very open, spacious area. The lifts, there is a lift up to the restaurant as well as all the rooms, and a very spacious, well-lit, open reception area. And out here, you've also got all the taxi and valet area.
Anyway, so we booked a ocean view room. Now, we thought that we'd ordered a room with a queen bed and a sofa or pull-out or a single bed or something like that. To see in a moment, wasn't quite that. But I'll start here at the door. You know, you've got a little bit of hanging space here, ironing board. So all that sort of stuff was fairly good. There's a safe down there as well.
You can see there's some organised hangers already there.
Yep. Bathroom was fine. There was
A little bit tired.
yeah, look, there was bits missing off the door and on the other side in particular.
You can see down, like along the door there, the door's got like signs of swelling and scuffing and...
Yeah, so it is looking a bit tired, but it's a shower bath in there. Look, good pressure, nice and hot water.
A single tap.
Yep.
So you have to turn that to adjust your temperatures. And
That took a couple of goes, but
plenty of handrails as well, so that you can see for holding on for accessibility. Although because it's a bath, it's actually quite, it is a step over into that all the same.
it is quite a step, and a really, really low toilet. In here, that's your only drawer though. It comes with a hairdryer, but no other drawer storage in here. I mean, it was ample for us for a few days. But if you're here for a bit longer stay, you might want it a little bit more.
One of the challenges with the bathroom we did have though was housekeeping.
Yeah, okay, so there's 3 of us in here, right? We came in, there was only 2 towels. We thought that's fine. So we went and asked them at night, and they said, oh, we'll get that sorted for you. Didn't happen. In the morning, I went out and said, you know, there's 3 of us in here, I only have 2 towels. So she gave me another towel. Then we all showered and left. They came and redid the room and only put 2 towels back in. So
We had to go and chase that down again. And I double checked the paperwork and we definitely had it down as 3 guests. So
yeah,
a bit disappointing in that regard.
Yep.
Not the biggest issue in the world, but definitely just something to note that that sort of finer detail was off a bit.
Then we just had this little kitchenette. This was actually probably pretty good. You know, little fridge in there.
We could fit full-size bottles of wine and things like that in there.
Bit of cupboard space, drip coffee machine, microwave, ice bucket, so you could obviously go and get ice. There is an ice machine up on our level. Seems like on different levels there's different vending machines.
Yeah.
But anyway, there was an ice machine out there if you needed it. All right, so yeah, walking into the main sort of bedroom area. This was actually quite good. It was quite big, obviously, Matt and all his tech gear. It was all spread out everywhere. Plenty of drawer space. So, you know, if you were staying for quite a long time, there's all these little ones, which obviously I don't know quite what you're going to get in there. Laptops. Yeah, that's a good idea, no, laptops. So we just pushed this chair. It actually doesn't belong here, but it fit quite nicely.
There we go.
Oh,
There you are.
you know, obviously we've got all your lampshades and everything like that.
So plenty of lamps. There's the lamp on that table, lamps beside the beds, a tall lamp as well.
Yep. But as you can see, we ended up with 2 double beds. So Matt and I got nice and cozy the last couple of nights.
I don't think I've slept with somebody in a double bed since I was maybe a teenager.
And we're not as small as we were then either. So it's all right, we just turned together. We could turn. So that wasn't ideal, but I think we still slept all right. So
More drawers over there.
yeah, more drawers in here.
Gideon
Alarm
Bible.
clock. Yep. So then you just had a small little table. Noah didn't come with the room. Unfortunately, we got to take him back with us. No joking. And this is your air conditioning. Must say the aircon has been great in here.
Yeah.
Nice and cool at all times.
It's in the room though, so you can hear it, but it provides just a bit of a white noise background, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
that doesn't bother me too much. And then we obviously had our balcony area.
So this is an ocean view balcony, just so you're aware, and you can see the ocean.
Certainly it is. It's an ocean view.
I would describe it more as a obstructed ocean view.
Only if you go up really high, I think you would get the non-obstructed, but what a beautiful view though, seriously.
Yeah.
Nice spot though.
Really, really good spot.
We've been happy with this place.
So you can see the pool down there, all the sun lounges and everything.
Gee, it's warm out here
And
today.
that's the main marina, and looking down towards Waikiki.
So anyway,
And yeah, out here on the deck, it's a narrow deck, but it's wide enough that you can have. There's a second chair behind me and the table, so two chairs and a table out here.
yeah, plenty big enough though for what we needed.
So in terms of location and the hotel itself, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, it's good. Like, I mean, we pretty much have walked everywhere, bar when we went out to Pearl Harbor. But we even did the, 25-minute walk down to the Waikiki markets.
Yep.
They were on yesterday. We went down to the Royal something centre,
Royal Hawaiian Centre.
Royal Hawaiian Centre. So we walked that, about 25 minutes as I said, but everywhere else we walked to the fireworks. I mean, we could have stayed in our hotel.
Yep.
But then when they put the fireworks off on a Friday night, otherwise we did that whole lap. So reasonably well located, I would say.
Yeah, so you've got the connection to the Ala Moana Centre, the big sort of
Big
shopping
mall.
mall.
Yep.
Lots of premium brand stuff there, but there is also a Target. There's a couple of ABC stores around which are quite cheap. You've also got a Walmart within walking distance.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So really good location. The room is a little bit tired or dated, but it's definitely not bad at all.
No, nothing bad at all, apart from a towel on maybe a bed, but
Yeah,
the beds were semi-comfortable.
staff have been super friendly.
Yeah, beautiful area downstairs actually. There's a Starbucks coffee in there, there's a cafe.
Little
Beautiful.
convenience store kind of thing.
Yeah, that's right.
Couple
And they've
of-
got their own little pub
Yeah.
sort of bit round the back. So for that, you don't have to really go anywhere.
Yeah,
got
so
it all here.
it is all here. It's a really, really good location. So definitely, if you're in Hawaii or coming to Hawaii, particularly if you're maybe transiting, Ala Moana is actually a really good
Well,
spot.
funnily enough, we've noticed that all the pilots and air hostesses from all different airlines are all staying here.
Yeah,
So it
we've
seems to be the
quite a few.
go-to for all of that. So that's got to tell you something. But these Aussies are going to give it a thumbs up.
We are indeed.
Thanks for having us, Ala Moana.
We'll
And,
see you next time.
See you next time.
Oh, and I almost forgot. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and if you've got questions or have comments, put them down below, and we will get back to you as soon as we can.